Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Okay, through this project we had learned already 3 lessons. Now children, we are going to learn a new lesson, number 4, food and feeding habits of animals. Food and feeding habits of animals. Children, we are very familiar about how the foods are very important, isn't it? Not only for us, even for the animals also, for the plants also, food is commonly very important. Now we are going to learn how food is important to the animal and how the animals are categorized based on the food, at the same time how it all eating a food. So all this going to learn through this lesson. Before getting to the content of the lesson, can you do rearrange? Rearrange the letter to get the name of some animals. So if you do rearrange these letters in a word, you will get one name of an animal. Then match them with the food they like. Okay. So first rearrange this, then we will do the match. ELEPHAN. If you do arrange, can you guess what is the name of an animal you will get here? Will get, listen, elephant. So when you rearrange, you got the name of an animal is elephant. Second, can you try to do this? TCA. Yes, it is a cat. 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 Third, OMENKY. This is, when you rearrange this, you will get the name of an animal, monkey. 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 So the name itself is different, no? So this is the name of an animal. Now the food, you are going to match it, no? You will find through that. So elephant would like to eat always a sugar cane. And this is milk and this is banana. Remaining 2 food. So milk is a beloved food to the cat, isn't it? Always would like to drink a milk. Which animal? It is a cat. Then remaining 1 is banana, is a favorite food to the monkey. So animals are different. The food which he eating, it is also different, isn't it, children? So now we are going to learn different animals are there, no? Going to learn through this. So different animal, different food. Why it need a food? Food is very important to the animals also. Then only it can grow and it can stay healthy. So why it need, no? Animals need a food to grow and to stay healthy. For this purpose, the animals need a food. Okay. At the same time, I told you the word stay healthy. Can you guess with this? See this? What are these? These are dogs. Between these two, which looks healthy? Yes, exactly the first one, isn't it? When compared to this dog, and this looks so beautiful because this is a pet dog. This is a pet dog. And this is a stray dog. Pet dog and stray dog. When compared to this, being the pet dog, it gets enough food daily. But when compared to this, it does not get the enough food, so that it not looks beautiful, and the way it looks itself shows it is unhealthy. It do not get enough energy. It do not get enough food. All these by the appearance itself we can find. Okay, this looks so beautiful because it gets the food and it gets the energetic food, healthy food, so that it looks beautiful and stay healthy. To stay healthy, to grow properly, even animals also need a food. Okay, as you know now, food is important to the animal because with that it can grow, it can stay healthy. Along with that, it need a food. For this reason, no, why no? it will get energy from the food. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Okay, so the energy will give only by the food. It may grow or healthy. So if it wanted to grow and stay healthy, means it need energy, then only it can move around, okay, in search of food, water, shelter, and protecting from other animals, and it wanted to protect the young animals. To do all this work, it need energy. When it has energy, it can do work. What is the work it can go? It can move. Okay, along with can grow, it can do work, it can stay healthy. So from the one food, it can get the energy. When it has the energy, it can do the work. What are the work? It can move. While moving, what is the benefit it gets? It can go around in searching of food and shelter. Again, it can protect its young one, protect themselves. All this will happen when it get a food. So through the food, what it get ma? It gets energy. So animal get your food from food. Through the food, what it getting? It gets the energy. As we know, animals cannot prepare a food. It depends only, even as other animals are also there. It may be a different category. Also, all the animals depends only on plants. Some animal eat plants like cow, horse, giraffe, okay, goat. There are so many animals in the animal kingdom. Okay, in that, some type of animal eat only plants. Some eat plant eating animals. See this, the plant is eating by the animal. No, that animal could eat by some other animal. So plant eating animal will eat by other animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. So in this category of animal will get always a food. The food will be available to this type of animal which eats both plants and animals. So who will suffer? No, who are eating only plants, who are eating only a plant eating animal. So this type of animal only will suffer a little, but these which are eating both plants and animals, it will always get a food. Always food will be available to this type of animal. So if you see this, see plants. Some animal eat plants, eat plant eating animals. Some animal eat plant eating animals. Some animal eats both plants and animals. If you see the word plant, okay, it shows there is a connection between each and every one. So that this is called as a chain. Based on the food the chain has been made, it is called as food chain. Okay, understood children? A plant is eating by some animal. That animal will eat by the other animal. So based on the food, the chain has been processed. So that this is called food chain. Let me show you one example. See, when you see this picture, you will understand. So this is a grass, deer and lion. Okay, the grass is eaten by these deer. Okay, now this is called what? Plant eating animal. Plant eating animal. This plant eating animal will eat by this animal. So through the food, these one by one are connected through the chain. So this is the example for the food chain. Through the food it's connected. That is why this is called as what ma? This process is called as the food chain. Do you understand? Let me give you one time a review. Food is important to all the animals. When it gets food only, it will get energy. Through the energy, it can move. When it moves, it can save its life. It can prepare a food. It can search a food. It can search a shelter. All this work can be done when it has a energy. And in the animal kingdom, there are different variety animals are there. All are depends on plants. Okay, so through this example you will come to know. So plant is eaten by one plant eating animal, that plant eating animal will eat by other animal. So that this is called what? This is called as food chain. I hope you all have understood what is the content we have learned so far. No, Along with this, we'll continue on the next topic on next class, children. Give a book reading, children. It will be helpful for you to learn more and more. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll see you on the next class.